it's been a more stable, stagnant growth, but we're finding that that's really taken hold primarily the last few months. And in terms of credit quality, we're also finding historic lows in delinquencies, and charge-offs are starting to creep up very slowly. There are still headwinds that are impacting the industry, and the headwinds that are impacting the industry are the same that are impacting the overall economy. Strong dollar, the problem with weak demand in China and elsewhere, the weak energy sector. This is creating a bit of an uncertain climate and has really resulted in this economic uncertainty, if you will. Our top advocacy issues for 2016, now that the lease accounting project is behind us, we're going to really put a lot of emphasis, a lot of effort into tax reform. And we have a terrific professional on staff, and we're geared to really spend a lot of time and effort on tax reform. Also, one of our legislative issues that we're going to be pressing for now and going forward during tax reform is the ability to maintain interest deductibility and business interest deductibility, as well as this onerous provision in Dodd-Frank that essentially mandates that leasing and finance companies, and really any financial services company, has to collect a lot of information, demographic information, about their customers. So that's whether you're a small business, minority owned, or woman owned. It's going to create a lot of probably unintended consequences for leasing finance companies and anybody that extends credit. On the state side, there are other advocacy issues, and I'll say this given the fact that our top advocacy issue is now behind us, which is the lease accounting project. But on the state side, we're really following lenders' license regimes in both California and Illinois relating to lenders' licensing. The fact that leasing and finance companies, as well as all financial institutions, will have to apply and pay for a lender's license to do transactions that otherwise they didn't have to access a lender's license, at least in Illinois. That bill was passed in California, and the legislation in California is now developing regulations. So that's about where we are now, and in 2016, where we're going to be focusing most of our effort